Act 1, we open with a shot of the ACT Supreme Court. We hear a voiceover speaking about the trial of Bruce Lehrmann, who was accused of sexually assaulting Brittany Higgins. We cut to a shot of the two of them and the voiceover continues, detailing the case and how Lehrmann has consistently denied all allegations. We go to a shot of the independent inquiry which was established to investigate the trial, and the voiceover explains that the chief prosecutor in the trial, Shane Drumgold, was the first witness. We cut to a shot of Drumgold in the courtroom. Act 2, the counsel assisting the inquiry, Aaron Longbottom Casey, begins questioning Drumgold about an application made by Lehrmann for a stay in the trial after Lisa Wilkinson gave a Logi's speech referencing the case. We cut to a shot of two people talking in court, and the voiceover explains how Drumgold made knowingly false statements during the hearing. Longbottom then reveals that Drumgold had a meeting with Wilkinson prior to the speech to prepare her for the possibility of being a witness in the trial. We cut to a shot of the meeting, and the voiceover continues to explain what was discussed. We learn that Drumgold told Wilkinson that the defense could apply for a stay in the case if there was any publicity regarding it, and that he told her he had no power to approve or prohibit any public comment. Act 3, the counsel continues to question Drumgold about the meeting, and reveals that the lawyer for Wilkinson had contacted him multiple times about Wilkinson's concerns that she had been treated unfairly by Drumgold's office. We cut to a shot of the email, and the voiceover explains the requests. The voiceover then transitions to Drumgold's response to the counsel. He admits to misreading the situation and acknowledges that he should have gone back to check who had contributed what to the file note, but that he had not considered it in court. He then goes on to explain why he had not responded to the lawyer's email, saying he was a little bit distracted by the media reports but also his waiting for a call telling him something terrible had happened to Higgins as a result of the media flurry. We see a shot of Drumgold's face for a few moments as the voiceover finishes, and then the screen fades to black. Act 4, we open with a panning shot of the ACT Supreme Court, and the voiceover speaks about the ongoing inquiry into the trial of Bruce Lehrmann. We cut to a shot of Drumgold during his questioning by Longbottom, and the voiceover continues to explain the questions that have been asked. The voiceover then transitions to the closing remarks by Walter Safronoff, who is heading the inquiry, about Drumgold's admission that he had misread the situation. We cut to a shot of Safronoff speaking, and the voiceover ends with closing comments of how Drumgold had admitted that he should have been more explicit and that the inquiry will continue. The screen then fades to black.